Okay, hello, good afternoon, good evening good morning, whenever you're watching this. We are going to be going over what we covered yesterday. So Prince Tego took us through prompt generation on ChatGPT, and then we take the prompt and then we put it in Replit to generate a website for us, right? And then I believe it requires little to no skill, and then everybody will be able to create a website by the end of this video. It's very simple. So we are just going to dive right in. We'll head to Google, ChatGPT, and then we just load ChatGPT. If you don't already have an account, you create it, and then you're going to get this. Okay. So we had a prompt. I pasted the exact prompt we used in the Telegram channel. So if you are not in the Telegram channel, find a link on the Gentrax Tech account, and then you just join. Okay, so I already have the prompt here, but let me just paste this again. So the name of the company was SJ Adeniran Trading and Services Limited, a sales and marketing slash logistics company. So this is the prompt, right? Starting from here. So you can replace this with your own company name. With this information, create a simple and sleek website for my business, focusing on Nigeria. I mean, if you're in Ghana, focusing on Ghana. If you're in uh, whichever country you want to put it in, include any element that might not be present to me, but are on a world-class logistics website. Analyzing my competition, include any element that I may have missed. Make this a Replit ready prompt in English, brief, in one paragraph only. So very simple, right? Okay, so we are going to hit enter. All right, so whichever output you get, right, you are going to just copy this output. Just go to the top, you just select everything and then copy. Now we're going to head over to Replit right now. As simple as that. So we go to Replit. Okay, I already generated this here, so let's do this. We just type Replit. Shouldn't take some time. I think it's my internet. Yeah, so I already have an account, so it's just going to log me straight in, like sign me in and everything. But if you don't, when you head to Replit, you create an account and then you just sign up, right? Okay, so now there are two options here. There's a build and then there's the design. The design was launched recently, and it is a very impressive feature because this allows you to have a visual representation of everything before you go ahead and then actually build. You finalize the design and everything. So we are going to paste this here. The prompt we copied from ChatGPT. We are going to paste this here. Feel free to pause if I'm moving way too fast. So we paste this here and then we just start designing. As simple as that, right? Start designing. Okay, so you are just going to wait a bit and then everything is going to come. Okay, so initially this was I tried this is the same thing I did. This is the website we got, right? Now let me make this. You can head over to the top. I don't know if you can see the arrow button and then to a new tab. So we get this in a new tab. It's going to load. Okay, let me see if this has gotten anywhere. Okay. So as you can see, if you read down here, I think it's done. The work is done. The agent has designed. All right, so this is the website we have. I'm going to enlarge this so we can go through this and see everything. You could read what is here, but I doubt you. It doesn't matter for now, right? Let's just make this big. I hope you saw. So it's wait. Okay, so after everything generated, you just head over to the icon with the arrow, right? You just click it and then it expands. Okay. My network was, yeah. So we have this for now. Let me close this real quick. So you can see SJ Adrenaline Trading and Services Limited Ltd. Premier West African Logistics, right? Uh, Connecting Nigeria to the world. Reliable freight forwarding, warehouse and distribution solutions tailored for dynamic Nigerian market. As you can see, we had everything specified in that is Nigeria. It generated images for us, right? For the landing page, everything. Ideally, with a normal, if you're building this on your own, you'd have to get images, add them in assets. I mean, the developers know, so you'd have to do this yourself naturally. But it's basically designed the whole landing page for you, right? You have everything you need to have: track shipment, services. You head down. What we do: comprehensive logistics solutions, and then there's so much. So here, so as you can see, you see in the prompt, we stated something in the prompt, right? Include any elements that might not be present to me, but are on a world-class logistics website. And you can see it did just that with little information we gave it. It added freight forwarding, sales and marketing solutions. It added a lot: track your shipment, about us, and as you can see, um, this is a world-class, well-built website, and then it's ready. You can see I even added a newsletter for you and everything. Uh, yeah, so you can see, go to tracking, about, it scrolls down, contact, you go down, and then you come back to home, right? Beautiful. So as simple as that, you can get your website in little to no time, right? But we are going to do something. You can, if it generates something you don't like, as you can see, we are still in the design phase. We've not built it. So if it generates something you don't like, okay, let's change the Nigeria. We're going to change this Nigeria to Ghana, right? And then ask it to use Ghanaian colors. That's what we are going to do. Okay, so we are going to head here real quick and then just we'll type here change the country to Ghana, and let's use Ghanaian colors. We hit enter, and then you can see it's doing everything for you. It's working for you basically. So you can practice with any website at all. If you are asked to build a website, you can build some for your business. You can just get this done in a few minutes. So, and if you read here, it tells you exactly what it's doing. As you can see, generating an image of a modern warehouse in Accra. So it generates images for you, and you don't have to do anything at all. As simple as that. Okay. As you can see, we are done working. So the site is fully aligned with the Ghanaian market right now. It maintained the name SJ Adrenaline Trading and Services Limited, connecting Ghana to the world. And then the image too has been changed. Every other thing remains the same. Okay, this is the larger version. So we go to home. This is the home, right? And then you can see for the dynamic Ghanaian market right now. And then you go down what we do. Everything else remains the same. Color has been changed. Uh, you know, I think Ghana is red, yellow, green, and then you can see it tried to use green and then yellow. We have a bit of red too, so it completely changed the colors and everything, maintained everything. So if there's something, as you can see, the map too has been changed here to Ghana, and then airport residential area Accra, Ghana. It customizes it to the Ghanaian market and everything. So if you need to change something, you can just head over to the prompt again. I need this to be changed, right? I need that to be changed. So yeah, so that's what we covered. A brief summary of what we covered yesterday, and then we're going to be doing a bit more today, this evening. That's the second day. So yeah, let's stay tuned and then learn, practice, so we both grow together. We all grow together, I mean. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it really insightful. All right, bye.